Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Teacher Zul. So today I'm going to show you guys one activity that you can do with your kids. So this activity is listen and spell the vowel and consonant words. So you're using the A, B, A, G, A, N, A, P, A, N, A, D, and also A, T. Hello, so now I'm going to teach you how to prepare and how to teach your kid. So make sure you teach the phonics first, the alphabets and the consonants and the vowels phonics. So phonics is actually how it sounds, the alphabets how it sounds, and A, A, B, B, T, T, and so on. So you have to know the phonics first. So make sure you watch the previous video how to teach phonics with these consonants and these vowels. And then make sure after you say to your kids ab, at, for example, and then you have to appraise them. You have very good, you have, and if they are correct, you give one sticker. Let's say you do 7, A, B, A, T, A, D, A, N, A, G, A, M, A, P. So they got 7. So all in 7 trials. After they finish all the seven vowels and consonants, and then you give a big reward such as candy or chocolate, or bring them to playground, something like that. Alright, thank you. Afi, A, B, ab,
Ab. E.
good. E,
E. B. B.
good one. B, very good. I give you one sticker. Put here. Yay! Okay. So for the last one, the 7 on the 7th attempt, the last one, the reward, you give a big reward such as candy or chocolate. Alright, thank you.